Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Bubbletucky market from Bubble Guppies. So let's see what we have in the box. Here's one Bubble Guppy. This is Dima. Let's see what else. Okay, you can see that these are parts for the playset. Including vegetables. This is the base for the playset. And this is the rest of it. Includes stickers. So let's put it together. Right here you just have to click. You have a little ramp for this side, so you can go in the market. Here's the shopping cart. And now we need to add the stickers. One more sticker and we're done. Ready to go shopping? So you can push your little shopping cart around. Buy the things you like a little car, maybe a pony. Go up the ramp. Then you can scan your items. Pay for your stuff, and you're good to go. It's fun to go food shopping with Dima. In this shelf, you can also display your Shopkins. So let's open this Shopkins basket surprise. Here we have 2 Shopkins, 1 and 2, and your Shopkins shopping checklist. We just got Cookie. And right here we have salty shakes. See, this shelf is perfect for Shopkins. think Bubble Puppy wants to play in the ramp. Shopping with the Bubble Guppies is super fun. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Bubble Guppies right here on Disney Collector.